Have you ever felt like your planner just doesn't work the way your brain does? Like it's almost right, but not quite? That's exactly why I design and print my own calendar inserts. Hi, my name is Jay, and I wanted to talk to you today about why I think printable calendar inserts are so practical. As a 20-year graphic designer and small business owner, I ended up designing my own simple templates, and I found them so life-changing that I wanted to share them with you. For the past few years, I've created over 150 templates that I use for time management, to reduce stress, and habit trackers for being my best self, and meal planners to save time and money, journal templates for like a wellness management binder, because as a working mom and business owner, sometimes you just have to keep it all together. The most practical ones are available to you for free, and I have one file that is over 150 pages. It's my printable bundle, and it's currently available for only $20 until the end of the year. You can download it at lifeprintables.com. Okay, so here's why I find them so practical. You download the file and you only print what you need, and if you make a mistake, you can reprint it as many times as you need to. I've created daily templates, weekly templates, week at a glance, which is my favorite. I use it for work, and then monthly planners as well, which is kind of the whole calendar. And currently the 2026 calendar just got released and it's free. The printable PDF file works with 3-ring binders, which is my favorite way to use them, but you can also use it with a planner or even like a digital tablet if that's what you like to do. But I personally download the PDF file, print it, put it in my binder, punch it with a 3-hole puncher, and then put it in my binder. There's plenty of writing space on each page. They print at a standard 8.5 by 11, super easy, and the layout is easy to glance at. So there's space to add stickers if you like to do that kind of thing. The design doesn't seem overwhelming, and it has room for 3-hole punch on in the margin, like I said, and it's printer friendly because I don't like to use a lot of ink when I print stuff, so I've made minimal designs that are printer friendly with minimal ink coverage. So if you're interested, all you have to do is go to lifeprintables.com, download the free PDF, and keep it on your phone or your computer, and then print it from home or at your office or at a print shop, maybe even the library or the school, wherever you have access to a printer, and use a 3-hole punch or binder clips and add it to your planner. It's super simple. If you've been struggling to stay organized or double booking, or the thought of your day like stresses you out as soon as you get up in the morning, I really believe that the custom planner inserts can help you. All you need is a 3-ring binder and some paper and a printer. You don't need a fancy system, you just need something that actually fits your life. If you found this video helpful, like my video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up for more planning and printable tips, and learn about the other stuff that I'm working on. So check out the free printables at lifeprintables.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.